So Bardi, you also a boy. The topic of the man is ha ha ha. Donkey is better than my this monkey style friend. Ha ha ha. Donkey is better than my this monkey style friend.
Okay, Assalamu alaikum to all of you. I would like to start my presentation with the most beautiful name of the Almighty Allah, who is most kind and most beneficent, not only for me, not only for you, but for all the entire universe. And then after, I would like to pay thanks to my teacher, my parents, who has granted me such a greatest power and has served me in their whole life. And then after, to all of you who came to listen to me. Now come to my topic, which is ha ha ha. Donkey is better than this monkey style friend. See guys, in your life, if you see complete journey, so you will find many people some people from the starting, they understand the life, but you never understand. And among of them, what is the difference? Who understand everything, but never speak out what has to be spoken. And therefore those people who understand everything, but never speak, they are more considered worse than the donkey. If now I consider this word that the donkey style is better than this monkey style friend, so it clearly means that a person who understands each and everything, that what is reality and what is not, but still hiding the truth and not speaking for the people of this world. So definitely guys, they can never ever be successful in their whole life. Even that person who does not have mind, who does not have sense and cannot understand what is the reality, it is better than another person. Just because today we have got birth in this world just to prove ourselves and to prove this, that what is reality and for which reason we all have got birth. If right now I know all the reality but hiding all the truth and all the things, so guys, the day is not so far, I will be lost, but just because of my hiding and all of us people, this world will be disturbed and the upcoming generation will be just in the pain and will never feel proud for these ancestors. So guys, I would like to say that your sixth generation and your complete all upcoming generation are just based on you. If you did your best for your time and you speak the reality, so tomorrow your upcoming generation will feel proud that our ancestors has given us their best example. We have no excuse in just our life, but if today we do nothing, so just this impact can also be over those generations. Thank you.
Two question only.
Mr. Abdul Rafi, you have said my donkey or a donkey is better than monkey style friend. Because my friend, he knows each and everything, but still he is quiet. So that's why he is better. But when I information, I talk about donkey. You were saying a man, he knows each and everything, he knows what is truth, but he is not speaking. So if I talk about donkey, he also knows his truth, that if he will not work, so he is not going to get food. But even in spite of this, why he is standing at his place? When he is bidden, then he works. When he is bidden, then he works. Why without being bidden, he does not work? Yet in this way, you are saying he is better. So the question is, we beat to the donkey and he does the work. So if we can beat to the donkey, then why not we can teach to our student? Why we cannot teach to our friend? We don't guide our friend. Definitely we fight, if we guide our friend, as we want to the beat and as we be strict on the donkey, so definitely even a donkey cannot say, so why not your friend? The thing is, he is not your friend, or it can be that you are jealous of him, that he can defeat you.
People call him Virat Kohli, but I don't know. Neither there is seen anything Virat nor anything attitude of Kohli. The man is saying over here that your friend who is like a donkey, if you beat him, so he can also run, brother. Brother, try to understand why the master beat the donkey. Because donkey does not have any destiny and he does not know how to walk in this world. But we are human and super creation of God.